Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create image polls on YouTube. So let's get started. So what you can do is, first of all, open up your YouTube application. After opening up your YouTube application, now in the bottom middle of your screen you will find this plus icon. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you will be in your videos. What you can do is just simply head over to your post, and after coming up to your post, now you can add a poll. So to add a poll, what you have to do is just tap on this poll icon, which is on the bottom left corner of your screen, and after tapping on that, now you can add a poll. So there are two options. So you can add an image poll or a text poll. So we are trying to add an image poll. So what I'll do is just tap on image, which is on the bottom left, and after tapping on that, you will find these two polls. So if you want to add more options, then what you have to do is just tap on add option, and that will add more option. So the maximum limit is 4. You can't add more than 4 polls on YouTube. So after selecting the amount of polls, what you have to do is just enter the image. So you can find the image icon beside that poll. What you can do is just tap on it and then select an image. So just add an image to every single poll. And after adding the image, now what you can do is you can ask anything to your community. So what you can do is just simply ask anything that you like. And after typing in your question, what you can do is just simply tap on post, which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on post, you will successfully post it in your channel. So what you can do is just tap on view, which is on the bottom, and after tapping on view here, you can see guys, you have successfully added a poll in your YouTube. So that's it guys, this is how to create image polls on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.